Welcome to today's video. I'm just going to show you a new feature that's now available in Kabooyaa where we can send messages internally to our other users. So our admin team, our teams out on the field, we can send them and then I'll show you how to set it up so they get notifications. So it's an internal messaging system. So if you have a look here on the screen, if you're in the conversations, this is just a test customer that I've got set up. We're going to click on internal comment. And we're just going to click on test message. Then we're going to hit the @ symbol and the users will pop up. So I'm just going to connect it up to that at the moment. And then we're going to hit send. Now what you'll notice is it comes up here as a yellow box in the conversations tab. So that's been sent to job management integration as a user. Now you're going to want to do a couple of things. Up here under filters, if you come down here and you click internal comments, you need to make sure that that's ticked so it shows up. So that's the first thing that you want to do. The second thing that you want to do, if you want to notify your team member that they've got a new internal comment, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just go to settings, go to my staff, and click on the staff member that you want to set up properly. Now under notifications, you'll see here that we've got notify all new messages in conversations where I am mentioned. So here we've got checkboxes, so we can check in the app, email and SMS. So if you want to send a SMS saying hey there's notes you need to check on the file, they'll get a notification if you've got that checked. So once you've done that, it's pretty cool because they're going to get notified that there's a new message that you've sent internally about a particular client. So hopefully that's helps you. It's pretty exciting. I know there's been a few of you asking for this feature for quite a while. How do we communicate internally with our staff members? This is the way you do it. You click on the comment on the conversations tab, use internal comment, and just make sure you use the @ and then choose that user. And that's how you can do it. And make sure you set up notifications for that, and you've got the filter checked for internal comments. Okie doke. Hope this helps. Have a good day.